in, let it out, let the shoulders relax. A little bit lower.
So I'm standing at the door over here, and I can hear her spine popping from here. So either that, or he's got like a handful of spaghetti underneath
That's
it.
right. Just threw it under the table so you can't see that. Is that shoulder good?
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. That's fireworks.
Straighten that legs out.
I don't really know how, but the guy that was videoing before me was 3 times my size,
Looks good.
and he fit in this room like a gnat. I feel like I'm really in the way over here.
Doesn't take much. Rest on the elbow. Take that breath in. And all the way out. Other side. A lot of pops today on you. Bring it forward. Breath in. All the way out.
Nice.
Usually goes the opposite. Usually goes going, it's just like